All right, here we go. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the four-box break of 2014 Bowman Sterling football. Um, this auction ended today, 12/16. These are the names and the teams. Okay. All right. There's 23 of you in here, and all teams sold. All right. It is 10:01 p.m. Tuesday, December 16th, Eastern Time. And good luck. You know, there's 13 hits per box, so there's a lot of good stuff coming out of this. And let's pull out some nice hits. Go with box number one. And there's a box topper. We'll do that last. Okay, put that on the side here. And 6 packs per box. All right. And I believe there's 2 hits per pack. So here we go. Good luck. And let's see. Let me put the base in the front. Okay, so we got Aaron Murray base, Luci's Perifoy, Devontae Adams, and our first hit is to the Bengals, AJ McCarron autograph, one color. This is numbered. This is not numbered. This is unnumbered card. And on and a Derek Carr patch. We got 3 colors: white, silver, black, and a black. And this also is not numbered. Derek Carr for the Raiders. Alright, pack number 2. Get the 2 base. There's 1 base here. Alright, Trey Mason. Probably a little hard to see because of the dark color on these cards. Storm Johnson. Pierre Desir. And we got, for the Cardinals, Troy Nicholas autograph. So it's a little hard to make out because of the... This also is not numbered. And we got for the Bears, Kadeem Carey. Nice color patch there. And this is not numbered either. On the base cards. Alright. Haha Clinton Dix. We got Taylor Lewan. Javadian Clowney base card. And we got also for the Cardinals again, another hit. Logan Thomas. This is numbered 74 out of 75. And 1 color autograph. And we got the Houston Texans starting QB, Tom Savage. Not numbered. All right. Allen Robinson. Jimmy Jernigan. We got Jalen Saunders, 63 out of 99 base card. The Jets. And sorry about the focus. 63 out of 79. And we got for the Vikings, Antonio Richardson autograph. And we got nice Blake Bortles hit. It's 4 color patch, not bad. 12 out of 99, numbered. Blake Bortles for the Jaguars. 4 colors and 1 on top. 12 out of 99, Jags. Got a redemption coming up. Blake Bortles, base card. We got a Calvin Pryor, base, and we got a rookie auto of Jason Verrett. That's the redemption. And a Bishop Sankey. A nice patch hero. Not numbered though. For the Titans. And base card of Jason Verrett. Along with the autograph of the Chargers. Alright, final pack for box 1. Base here. Okay, we got Cyrus Quandillo. I'm not saying it correctly. Robert Herron for the Bucks. We got a Robert Herron 1/25. Nice. Buccaneers. Got another Cardinals hit. John Brown autograph. 1/1. Whoa. Congratulations, man. Check this out. 1/1. Very cool. There it is. 1/1 for the Cardinals. John Brown. Nice. Very nice. Congratulations. You got this, MJ? Are you the Cardinals? Very cool. 1/1. And we got another Raider, Khalil Mack. 83/99 to go with the Derek Carr. Very cool. And this is the box topper for box number 1. Got a 2-color, nice jumbo patch of Jeremy Hill, running back. These are not numbered. These are the Blue Wave refractors for the Cincinnati Bengals. Just refresh one step. If you froze, refresh. Any problems, always refresh, because you know Breakers always has issues time again. Let me write it in here so even the guests can see it. Alright, that does it for box 1. We got that nice, I'd like to show it again, 1/1 of John Brown. Super refractor for the Arizona Cardinals. Box number 2. We got Khalil Mack. What else did we get? We got the it was Mack and the Jeremy Hill patch was the box topper, and I forget what was the other hit. Sorry. All right, box topper. We'll do that last. So far, so good, guys. Let's see, we got 3 more boxes. Hopefully get some more nice hits. All right, here we go. Allen Robinson, base card. Jason Verrett, base. We got Calvin Pryor, base. And we got another nice Kelvin Benjamin, autograph, 148/185. All right, for the Panthers, autograph patch there. Very good receiver. And another Khalil Mack. Same type of card. This one's not numbered though. The other one was numbered. So we got 2 Khalil Macks for the Raiders. Blake Bortles base card. Damian Williams base. We got Aaron Colvin base. We got for the Steelers, Dre Archer, autograph. Not numbered. And we got for the Browns, Terrence West, 2-color. Not numbered. Alright. We got Teddy Bridgewater, base card. Robert Herron. Storm Johnson. We got a duel for the Houston Texans. Nice. 43 out of 44. We got Tom Savage and Javadian Clowney. For the Houston Texans. Very cool. And we got Devontae Adams. Got a small patch right there from him. Not numbered. Alright, go halfway there. Carlos Hyde, base card. We got Taylor Lewin, base card. Johnny Manziel, base numbered 41 out of 75 for the Browns. There he is, Johnny Football. Hopefully he'll have a better week this week. I like watching him play. I hope he does well. But sorry about the focus. 41 out of 75. And we got Josh Huff for the Eagles autograph. And for the Bears, Kadeem Carey. Nice patches here on this one. This is not numbered though. A second carry hit. C.J. Mosley. Got Mike Evans base card. Javadian Clowney base. We got for the Packers Rajon Neal autograph. Alright, and got Jeremy Hill, 2-color for the Bengals. Last pack for box number 2 and C. Dave Federwitz, Texans. We got Pierre Desir. And Aaron Murray, 93 out of 99, base card. And James White, autograph for the Patriots. And Javadian Clowney patch, 15 out of 99. Texans getting pretty nice hits. 15.99 Javadian Clowney, Houston. Alright, and the box topper for the Raiders again. Khalil Mack, a jumbo patch, 8 out of 50. This is numbered. 3 Khalil Macks, 2 numbered and 1 unnumbered so far for the Raiders, along with the Derek Carr. Alright, that was box number 2. Start off with box number 3. Topper there. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Pack 1 for box number 3. Alright, Sammy Watkins base card. We got Zach Martin base card. 87 out of 99, Cody Latimer. Alright, and we got for the Browns, Jordan Cameron, 42 out of 99. And you're seeing the reflection of the camera myself. It's just these cars have a shiny base to it. And Mike Evans. You got a little white over there, and a little red, so it's almost 4 colors. It's hard to tell, but a little stitching on the side. Mike Evans. We got Coney Ely, Lachey Seastrunk, Got Zach Mettenberg base, and we got another Texans. Houston, Tom Savage again, autograph, one color, 20 out of 99. Ah, again, sorry about the focus. Hard to see these cards with the reflection. And for the Bucks, Austin Sierra Jenkins, two color patch there, relic, unnumbered. We still got another box to go, so may get some more. Let's see. We got Odell Beckham base card. Khalil Mack base card. We got another Packers hit. Jared Abbrederis autograph. And Cody Latimer for the Broncos. And a base card of Lewis Snicks for the Texans. We got Charles Sims for the Bucks. We got Karan Reed. We got Craig Loston, 64 out of 75 for the Jaguars. And Saints, Brandon Coleman, autograph. Not numbered. And for the Patriots, Jimmy Garoppolo, multicolor, unnumbered relic. Got another redemption coming up. Marquise Denard, Paul Richardson, and we got Devonta Freeman, rookie autograph. And for the Bucks, Charles Sims. Another Bucks hit. Kyle Vanoy, base card, Lions. Last pack. Kadeem Carey base. We got Josh Huff base card. And Dante Moncrief base. And another Texans hit. Texans. And another Tom Savage. Another autograph, Tom Savage. Wow, Texans. I think there's three single autos of Savage, I believe. And then one with the Javadian Clowney. And for the Vikings, Teddy Bridgewater, 42 out of 50. We've got a Bortles and we got a Bridgewater so far. Little purple over there. And the box topper is... Oh, it's him, Johnny Manziel, 45 out of 50. So you got pretty much the top three QBs. We got Bridgewater, we got Bortles, now we got Johnny Manziel. And if for focus, you would see there it is, 45 out of 50 jumbo patch for Johnny Manziel. Alright, that does it. Last and final box. So far, so good. Alright, the box topper. I'll do that last again. Got another redemption. Alright, Bishop Sankey. We got Logan Thomas base. Terrence West. And we got for the 49ers, autograph rookie relic, Carlos Hyde. And Devonta Freeman, relic for the Falcons. not numbered. There's a little off stitch over here if you can see it. Alright. Okay, Bruce Ellington. We got Cody Hoffman. Garrett Gilbert. And we got Aaron Murray, autograph 2 out of 75 for the Chiefs. A little yellow there. And we got another Bortles hit, 5 out of 50. Got 3 colors on top. Not bad. Brian, right after the break is over, I upload it to YouTube, so give it about an hour. I know breakers. Anybody else having problems? Just let me know. You gotta refresh. I know it sucks, but I'll send the link once it's uploaded to everyone. Is anybody else having problems? Xavier Grimble for the Giants. Ryan Shazier. And 15 out of 75, Dion Buchanan. And Greg Robinson, autograph for the Rams. And Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins, 2-color. Got an Aaron Murray base card. Jared Abbrederis for the Packers. We got Odell, 56 out of 99. G-Men. I think I gotta get a new camera. And another Kelvin Benjamin autograph. Not numbered. And we got for the Titans, Bishop Sankey. Relic. Unnumbered as well. Okay, last 2 packs in the topper. Okay, we got here Purifoy for the Colts. Devontae Adams for the Packers. Which auto are you talking about? The last auto was Kelvin Benjamin that I just pulled. And sorry about the focus. I got the Sankey. These are the base cards. Jerrigan, and we got for the Bucks, Robert Herron, unnumbered. And another Tom Savage. Holy fuck. This one's 12 out of 50. It's like the 6th Savage we got. 12 out of 50. Last pack. And we got Marion Grice, Trey Archer, Henry Josie. I got for the Packers, haha, Clinton Dix autograph. And for the Raiders, another Derek Carr. This is 2-color there. And the box topper, last card, it's nice. Well, I mean, got the lettering on it, but it's C.J. Federowitz. Unnumbered wave refractor. Guys, and that does it. So actually not too bad. I'm gonna show you the 101. We got Sean Brown 101 for the Cardinals. And who was the Cardinals? Butch. Butch D got the Cardinals. Nice 101. Congratulations. That's it. And yeah, packs hit. Thanks, Chaz. Thank you very much. I'll get these cards out in about. I'll try to get some out tomorrow or the following day. I got a crazy work schedule, but within 2 days I usually have them shipped out. But that's it. Look for some more breaks. I'm going to be doing some Platinum football, I think, at the end of the week. I'm not sure yet. But guys, thanks again, and have a good night and a great Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Thank you.